In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and modify shapes in Figma. If you're just getting started with Figma or want to brush up on your basic skills, this is the perfect place to begin. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that allows you to create striking designs with ease. Today we're focusing on the basics, creating and adjusting shapes. So let's get started. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Figma account. Open your browser and go to the Figma website. If you're not automatically logged in, simply click on Login located at the top right of the page. Enter your login credentials and you'll be taken to your Figma home screen. The home screen is your central hub where you can access all of your projects and design files, making it easy to start or continue working on your designs. Once on the home page, look for the Design tab. Clicking on it will take you to the design interface, where all the creative magic happens. Here, you'll see various tools and options that you can use to bring your design ideas to life. Don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first. With practice, these tools will become an extension of your creative process. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar on the left side of the interface. This is where the shape tools reside. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. You'll find a variety of shapes to choose from, such as rectangles, circles, triangles, and more. Select the shape you want to use for your design project. For instance, if you select the rectangle tool, you can click and drag on your design area to draw a rectangle. You can adjust the dimensions by dragging the corners, which allows you to customize the shape to your exact needs. If you want to modify a shape you've already drawn, simply click on it. This will reveal several options for changing its size, rotation, and position. Use the handles that appear around the shape to resize it or rotate it to get the perfect angle. You can also use the options in the right-hand properties panel to adjust the shape's appearance, such as changing its fill color or border style. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different shapes and modifications to truly grasp the flexibility Figma offers. I hope this tutorial gave you a clear understanding of how to create and modify shapes in Figma. This basic skill will serve as the foundation for more complex designs as you become more proficient with the tool. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!